Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.exchange. An important announcement. Tomorrow is Saturday, but still the stock market will function. So NSE having a special trading session from 9:15 to 10 a.m. in the morning. That is from a normal site, and from 11:30 to 12:30 from a disaster recovery site. So there will be two short trading time tomorrow, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, 9:15 to 10 a.m. first session, 11:30 to 12:30 in the second session. Of course, 15 minutes before that pre-market will also be there. So many people are not aware. Okay, so especially I was also not aware. So I scheduled my Chennai workshop on Saturday. So maybe my workshop participants will be able to see the market in live. So there are few seats left for Chennai workshop. So if you are interested, you may contact our office or you can log into workshop.prsundar.com. Now, coming back to the markets. So US markets moved higher, mainly led by rally in Apple stock. Apple, a few days before there were a few downgrades and Apple fell more than 5%. Yesterday there was an upgrade and Apple shot up more than 3%. So US markets, not only the data driven, this every now and then, some banks or some brokerage houses giving upgrade and downgrades, markets react violently. In fact, I sold a call option in Apple, 200 call option, but yesterday it shot up 3%. So Dow did not go up much, but later in the second half of the session, Dow also shot up. And Asian markets are mostly higher. In fact, for the first time in 2024, I see so many green ticks everywhere. European futures are all green, US futures are green, most of the Asian markets are green. So the maximum number of green ticks I am seeing only today in 2024. But however, unfortunately, GIFT Nifty is saying a red tick. Why? Very simple. Yesterday, when we closed, and HDFC Bank ADR was higher by about 5%, but later it was higher only by 2%. So that means, HDFC Bank ADR fell 3% after our market closed. So naturally, now Nifty and Bank Nifty both are victim of HDFC Bank shares today for the last 2 to 3 trading session. So HDFC Bank, which has the highest weightage in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, moving like this, 5% up, 10% down kind of things, So it's bound to create huge volatility in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now, as I told you yesterday, even the bullishness for the long term has been punctured by this HDFC Bank. Now, even if the global sentiment is good, our markets will have to move higher, leaving the HDFC Bank. And however, today, results are there, main results, Hindustan Unilever and Reliance Industries. Yesterday, IndusInd Bank results came, so today the markets will be reacting to numbers, and because most of the private sector banks are down after HDFC Bank results, if there is any positive surprise, so these private sector banks may move higher, so that should support the market. And especially Kotak Bank and ICICI Bank will be in focus today, because tomorrow they will be declaring the results. Although there is a special session in NSE, but both results are likely to come after the special session. So Monday there will be a gap up or gap down. Especially people have seen huge gap up in case of Infosys and huge gap down in case of HDFC Bank. So the people will not like to, traders will not like to carry the positions. So they will be interested in squaring up their position by the end of today. So, we don't know who is going to blink first, the people who are holding the long position or the people who are holding the short position. So accordingly, the markets can react, a little bit violently in the last half an hour or 1 hour. Or, if these people are so professional, they can square up their position tomorrow session also. So that is also a possibility. So this special trading session has come not at a good time. So it's a very, very bad time. So overall, today, even if Nifty goes higher, the Nifty future may not go. Why? Because there was about 75 point premium yesterday. Day before yesterday, about 25 point discount, yesterday about 75 point premium. So 100 point expansion in the premium in just one trading session. So that may get reduced at least by 50%. So therefore, even if Nifty goes up by 50 point, Nifty future may not go up even by 1 point. So anyway, now 21,700 looks to be a resistance, because so this series started somewhere around 21,700. So one good results from IT stocks took the market higher. Then bad result from HDFC Bank brought the market down. So now markets are too volatile between 21,300 and 21,300 to 22,100. So that was a huge 800 point fall in 2 trading sessions. So markets may consolidate, and if all goes well, we should be heading towards at least 21,700, so that this expiry at least we close flat, if not positive. But yesterday S&P 500 and Nasdaq turned positive for 2024. And most Asian markets usually will be negative, but today I find most of the markets are positive. So anyway, HDFC Bank has the highest weightage in Nifty, and that has the huge weightage in most of the mutual funds. So if this stock is not performing well, then mutual fund performance will also be not really good. So at least for that reason, it may not recover much, but at least we'll try to recover some lost ground. At least 10-20 rupees recovery in HDFC Bank will also help the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let us see what is going to happen. So overall, simply saying, Reliance, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank will be in focus, and then Nifty future may not go higher even if Nifty goes higher, and 21,700 will be the strong resistance for the rest of the series. We have 5 more trading sessions. For today, even 21,600 will be very, very tough nut to crack. So this is despite a positive global activities. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.